Do you know what's the most common problem content writers usually face? Yep, you guessed it right, it's plagiarism. Plagiarism is when you copy someone else's work or ideas and present them as your own. If you directly copy other people's content and repost it on your site, this is what will happen. Your content won't rank and you will lose credibility among potential customers, copyright claims, and so on. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take any content from the internet and make it into your own unique content. After that, we're going to test it with 2 top plagiarism detectors on the market, and surprise, it's going to pass all of them. So once you follow this method, your content will not be detected by any plagiarism checker, and if you're publishing this content, Google will also consider this content to be unique. Sounds great, right? But that's not all. If you watch this video till the end, I will show you an easy way to generate 100% human written blog posts directly using AI. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. Let's take any blog for example. I was checking out this blog called How AI Can Improve Health for Everyone Everywhere. Now put this content on a plagiarism checker. To do that, we're going to use a free tool called Small SEO Tools, which is a popular tool for checking plagiarism. So just click the link below this video and it'll take you to this site. Here you can see there's a word limit which allows you to check up to 1000 words for free in a single scan. So let's go back to this blog post. Then select and copy its content. Let's go back to Small SEO Tools website, paste it here, click check plagiarism, and you can see that we've got the results. It shows that 96% of the content matches with other sources, leaving only 4% as unique. Also, what's cool about this free plagiarism checker is it not only tells you about the copied content, but it also gives us links to the sources where it found the matches. Okay, it's important to note that different plagiarism checkers may provide different results. So let's try another tool called paraphraser.io. This tool also lets us check plagiarism for up to 1000 words for free. Just like before, you can find the link in the description below, so just click on it and it'll take you to paraphraser.io. Now let's paste the blog here and click check plagiarism. You can see that this time it shows 100% plagiarism along with the links to the sources. When we compare scores from both tools, it's clear that most of the content is copied and taken from other sources. To make our content unique, we have to rewrite it. So next, let's see how we can rewrite the content to make it unique. Now instead of doing it manually, there are many different tools online for rewriting the content. But let me introduce you to an incredible AI tool called GravityWrite. This tool can remove plagiarism from any blog post or article without changing the context of it. What's better is that it not only rewrites your content to be 100% unique, but also optimizes it for SEO. So to get started, just click the link below this video and it'll take you to gravitywrite.com. Now create a free account. Here search for rewrite article, then choose this option. Paste the blog content here and click create content. You can see that GravityWrite has rewritten our blog content, making it plagiarism free and unique. But to be absolutely certain, we should run a quick plagiarism check. So let's click here to copy the content, then go to Small SEO Tools, paste it here and click check plagiarism. You can see that the results show us that the content is 100% unique and free from any plagiarism. It's amazing how GravityWrite can do this. Just to be sure, let's check the content with another tool called paraphraser.io. So let's go there, paste the content and click check. As you can see, this tool confirms that we do not have any plagiarism in our content, which means we can now confidently use this rewritten blog post on our website or anywhere else. Similarly, you can pick any blog article or any other content from Google and change it into original content. Okay, with that done, next, let's move on to another interesting part of this video where we'll see how to remove plagiarism from AI-generated blog posts. These days, everyone is using Chat GPT to create blog posts. But when you try to create one, you might be worried about plagiarism and the originality of the content. Don't worry though. I'm going to show you how to use AI and create content that's completely human written and free from any plagiarism. First, we will generate a blog post using Chat GPT. So let's go there. Then ask it to write a blog about healthy lifestyle in 300 words and Chat GPT will generate the content. Once you have the content, now we will check if there's any plagiarism in the content. So let's copy the content, go back to small SEO tool, paste it here, and click check plagiarism. You can see that it says the content has 14% plagiarism, which is quite less. Similarly, let's check it with another tool. Now this tool says we've only got 16% plagiarism. Okay, now that we know that the blog post that we generated from Chat GPT has plagiarism, how do we check whether it can pass the AI detection test? If it fails the AI detection test, it may affect the credibility and engagement with readers, and your blog won't rank on Google. And that's why when you're creating a blog post, you need to make sure that your content is not only plagiarism free, but also passes the AI detection test. So to check that, we're going to use a tool called GPT-0. So let's go to GPT-0. And once you're on this page, simply paste the blog content you generated from Chat GPT and click check. As you can see, it shows us that 94% of our content was written by an AI. So let's test it with another famous tool called originality.ai. Paste the content here. Click scan now. You can see that here it shows the content was completely written by AI. Okay, from these results, we know that our content has plagiarism and also failed the AI detection test. So to fix it, we need to rewrite it to make it completely human written and free from any plagiarism. We can do that using GravityWrite. So let's copy the blog content, then go back to GravityWrite, paste it here, and click create content. You can see that GravityWrite has rewritten our blog content. Now we can go ahead and check if there's any plagiarism in our content. So let's quickly do that. And as you can see, we have absolutely no plagiarism in our blog. Similarly, let's check with another tool. You can see that this tool confirms that we do not have any plagiarism in our blog post. Now let's quickly check and see if it passes the AI detection test. Go to GPT-0, paste the content here, and if we click check, it now says our content is human written with only a 4% chance of AI writing it. Similarly, let's check with another tool. Here it shows 95% of the content is human written. So now it's clear that the rewritten blog post on GravityWrite has passed the test. Okay, so now we've successfully rewritten the Chat GPT generated blog post into human written masterpiece. And here's an even more fantastic option. You can create 100% completely human written blog post directly from GravityWrite, and the best part is it's completely free from plagiarism. Pretty amazing, right? So let's dive into the bonus part of this video and see how you can effortlessly create human written blog posts using GravityWrite. To get started, let's go back to GravityWrite. Then go to blog tools, choose human written blog. Now here, enter the type of blog that you want to create. I'm going to ask you to generate a blog content on fitness goals. Then click create content. As you can see, GravityWrite has generated the content. Now let's quickly check and see if there's any plagiarism in the content. And as you can see, we have no plagiarism in our blog post. Similarly, let's check it with another tool. And as you can see, we have no plagiarism in our blog post. Now, if you still want to make sure, you can check and see if this content passes the AI detection test. Go to GPT-0, paste the content here, and click check. And as you can see, it confirms that our content is entirely human written. Okay, now we can double check with another tool as well. And this tool also says that this content is human written. With GravityWrite, we were able to create a human written blog post with just one click. Okay, in the same way, you can generate any human written blog post just by using GravityWrite. It's a fantastic tool that will save you a lot of time and effort. So that's it, guys. This is how you can check and remove plagiarism from your blog post. Also, I've given all the links to the tools I used in the description below, so you can go ahead and check them out. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Website Learners for more content like this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.